Sorry.
Hey guys, Rob here and
Michelle.
And we're building a video today because we bought a farm. And so we're going to talk a little bit about this place that we've just purchased and what the next couple of years or
decades probably.
Well, the rest of our life is going to look like. So yeah, we've been looking for 10 years. I remember coming back from Australia, which is basically when Rowan was born. He's going on 9 now, but he was in the womb for 9 months, so almost 10 years that we've been looking for a piece of land that we could actually grow all of our own food and be water secure and energy secure.
And demonstrate a lot of the stuff that we are excited about and believe in.
Yeah. And so we've been doing that in an urban context for the last 10 years, and it's been really great. We've grown tons of food and lots of skills. We've taught lots of people about permaculture, and now we're scaling up. So after our 10-year search, we bought
a property in west central Alberta, so a few hours north of Calgary. And what we're really excited about is we find ourselves in the same position as many of our clients and many of our permaculture design students, where we have this very large piece of land. We actually have 160 acres and a house and resources to pull off the projects we want to pull off. But it's going to be complex, and we're going to have to figure out how we want to design it and how we're going to prioritize things. Yeah.
So you guys get to come along for the journey, and so we're actually going to follow our own process. We're going to start with clarifying our values and vision. We've already got a values and vision statement. We're going to diagnose our property for strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. We're going to design our property so that it finds that intersection point between those two, the vision and the diagnosis. And then we're going to implement it. And obviously the implementation on a quarter section is going to take a bit of time. So as we go along, we're going to build videos and we're going to talk to you guys about what we're doing and why we're thinking this, so that you can actually follow along with us. I'd actually recommend that you go to myadaptivehabitat.com and go and sign up for our free tools. You can also get your own contour map for your own piece of property, and so as we're going through our property design, you're going to be able to follow your property design along the same path. And that's the goal of these new videos that we're going to produce, because we've got tons of stuff to do here. We're going to talk about energy retrofits. We've got a house that consumes an enormous amount of energy. We're going to talk about livestock systems. We're going to talk about food, vegetable growing.
Rainwater harvesting.
Yeah.
Greenhouse design and building. Yeah, it's all going to be super tangible and really real as we even try and juggle all the needs and wants with the realities of our budget and how we pull this off. So yeah, I think it's going to be a really great series where you'll learn a lot, a real world example of permaculture design.
Totally.
Yeah.
So I'll leave a link to the My Adaptive Habitat thing in the show notes below. We've actually put our whole design process, which has been a project that Michelle, myself, and Dakota Cohen have been working on for many years. And this is essentially how we go about and do design for other people when they hire us to go do design for their property. So it only makes sense that we would do the same thing for ours.
All right.
Okay guys, if you found that useful and you're excited about learning how to design land using a permaculture methodology, then give us a thumbs up. And if there's anything specific you want to learn about land design, put it in the show notes below, in the comment section below, and we'll make sure that we respond to you there. And we look forward to seeing you guys in the next video.